My name is Demetrios.
And my name's Stephanos.
And this is Cooking with Stephanos.
And today we'll be making chicken tacos. Let's get cooking. First, we fill up the pot with water and boil it. I got my sauteed chicken here. I added some olive oil and I added some salt. And I also added some black pepper, oregano, paprika, and garlic powder. And then I mixed them up, and I added the chicken and mixed it up with the seasoning. And that's how it looked like. And later, we're gonna add it in the boiling water. I got my seasonings from the chicken. Oh, I forgot to mention I add some Arizona hot sauce in the chicken. I'm gonna add my seasoning in the boiled water. And I'm gonna give that a stir. I'm also going to add some of my chicken breast. And that seasoned chicken breast. Now I'm gonna add an onion. I'm gonna cut it from here, and the other side, I'm gonna cut it in half. And take this out. And once your onion looks like that, you cut it in half, and you add it in. Do the same with the other half. Peel the skin off. Should come off easily. And then add it in. I'm also gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm adding 2 because it gives flavor. Usually people add 1. And some lemon. I mean some lime. Lime or lemon. And drop, when you're done freezing them, drop them into. Now we're gonna boil it. Make sure to add a cover top. We're gonna cook this for 1 to 3 hours. It depends until the chicken gets soft, and when you take it out, you can shred it easily. So 1 to 3 hours. Oops, I forgot to add some of my garlic here. I'm gonna chop it up. Oh, oops, it's flying everywhere. Doesn't have to be really big. It doesn't matter how you cut it, just cut it. I like it a little smaller. There you have your garlic, and make sure to add it in. Let's check on our chicken. Ooh, let's take a good one out. Ooh, looks really juicy. Internal temperature for this chicken would be 170 degrees. See that? Looks really nice and juicy. Now we're gonna add it back in the jacuzzi. Give it about 20-25 minutes left, and then it'll be ready. Now let's dice the onion. We're gonna cut the cilantro now. Cilantro all cut. Take out our chicken. Put it in here. Take that off. Right there. Now let's shred. You see that juicy chicken? All shredded up. We will be working on the tacos now. Let's dip our tortillas in the juice and add it on right there. I'm gonna add 2 at a time. Make it easier. Oh. Now I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese and some chicken. Some chicken here. Nice juicy chicken. And now what you're gonna do, take the bottom of it and kind of fold it. You might need a different utensil. It's folded. It's gonna go like that. Now press it down. Let that fry a little bit in the oil, and we'll flip it over, and then it'll be ready. Same thing with this one. Nice taco. Obviously, if you were making veggie tacos, you wouldn't use the chicken or the juice. You could just make a taco with cheese and maybe some onion, cilantro, and lime. That would be a good veggie taco. I added some cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lemon in the juice. You know what I like to add? I like to add some lemon in the taco, some onions, cilantro, and some guac. There you go. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. It's really good right there. Well seasoned, really good. Good in there.
That is delicious. And let me tell you, the sauce has a sort of spicy onion taste, but then you can sort of taste the aftertaste of that cinnamon with the cheese and the chicken, shredded chicken. And then the tortilla is sort of toasty, so it's really, really good. Try it out. And remember, check us out at Cooking with Stephanos.
Yeah, that was so delicious. It tastes like a taco from a Mexican restaurant.
This is Demetrios.
And this is Stephanos. And this is Cooking with Stephanos channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with Cooking with Stephanos. Bye.